students, we have already learned about email in the first session, and in this session you will learn how to create your email account, for which you can use any of the website like Yahoo. Create an account in Yahoo or iCloud. Here also you can create, or Zoho also allow you to make your personal email ID, and we are going to make in Gmail. Create an account for myself. Now provide your information, means first name, last name, your username, the way you want it to appear as your email ID. Check it. If it is already taken by someone, it will suggest you another ID, otherwise it's okay. Then you have to provide the password, which should contain minimum 8 characters with the combination of symbol, numbers and alphabets, and confirm the same password, otherwise you will get some error message. So password should be confirmed. Then go to next. Now it will ask you to provide your phone number, which is optional, but it is asking for your security purpose. In case you forget your password, it can be recovered with the help of this phone number. And then provide your date of birth and gender. And after providing this, you go to next. Now you have to save or never. If it is your own device, save it. In the public device, you should not save your password. Then I agree, means you have to read all the terms and condition, and then click on I agree. Now it is loading your Gmail page, where you will see all your mails which has come in and which are sent by you. All the details are here on this page. You can see here inbox, start, snoozed, etc. You have to click on this compose plus sign to write a new email. Now it is loading your page for new message. Now you have to write the mail ID to whom you want to send your mail, and provide a subject also. What about you are sending the mail? A short subject can be written here. Then you have to see, you can all the formatting tabs are here. You can send it at the scheduled time, or directly it can be sent. Then you can use all the formatting tools here given below, like font formatting, emojis are there, emoticons are there. You can have the attach option here also. See, emojis we can add to the message just to give the expressions clearly. Then we have the insert photos also, and signatures can be added, which is a information which is permanent in all the messages. Then you can check your spellings here. If you are not happy with your message or it is not required, you can delete this, or you can send it once it is ready. And there are many things to do, like you can see which are the all messages or the red messages, or you can make changes to your settings also, means how you want to look like your mail homepage by clicking on the settings. This is the setting option. See all the settings here. And one thing you can do is you can change the theme. Instead of black and white, you can make it little colorful, give a background to your mail. This way I have taken this, saved it. Now you can check other settings also. If you need any change to be done, you can do that. Otherwise, see, when I click on my inbox, see the background of my mail page. So this way you can provide the background to your mail also, and then sign out once your work is done. It will show you now this kind of message, means you have signed it out. You can use another account if you want to get, otherwise remove an account from this list, not from the email.